Faire le suivi de l'information, recueillir le feedback des personnes affectées par une urgence et leur rendre des comptes doit être accompli le plus souvent possible au cours du projet. Susciter le feedback, écouter les suggestions et les plaintes vous aidera à déterminer si votre projet apporte bien les changements escomptés. Instaurer des méthodes adaptées de recueil de feedback vous aidera à identifier d'éventuelles lacunes, des activités inadéquates ou de nouveaux besoins. Un système de feedback est nécessaire pour mesurer l'impact, renforcer votre redevabilité et promouvoir l'apprentissage. Il est essentiel pour identifier toute corruption, abus ou exploitation.
Within Oxfam, we do a monitoring visit. During a day-to-day monitoring, we'll draw some lessons, and during our regular meetings, we share that experience.
We regularly have a meeting with the community representatives. What we do is that we establish a two-way of feedback mechanism. We give all feedback transparently, appropriately to the community, timely, and with adequate information we give them.
The accountability is to give the accountable to the people for whom we do work. That's the accountability. And that can be made by sharing information and acting on the feedback. What you do, we share it with the people in the ground on a barrier, so with the banners, through microphones, and through group sharing, all these kind of things.
In the programs where we have a stronger level of community participation and accountability mechanisms, we see that the impacts are much more stronger, and the empowerment of the community is much more stronger, and they would have much more voice and the confidence and the ability to come forward and make some comments. You know, priorities were much more effective in terms of targeting, for example, because they participate in them. Sometimes they say, you know, this is not a priority, you know, and that really strongly contributes to the effectiveness of the program in terms of achieving our impacts as well. They have the right to participate into the program development, into the development of all the ideas, the priorities, the targeting and everything. It is their rights, and most importantly, if they have complaints, they have the right to come to us and then make some complaints, and then we have to really follow up with that complaint and then give them a feedback.
Opening a complaint processes, of course, gives you a more closeness to the community, and they feel more open to actually engage with the NGO. But the big challenge there is that you also have to show results for what you have done with these complaints. And usually it's not only opening the floor to any complaint and then doing nothing about it. So that's a big challenge for us and our teams as well.
Au Bangladesh, ONG et partenaires locaux soutiennent la formation de comités de mise en œuvre de projets qui supervisent l'assistance suite à des désastres naturels tels que le cyclone Ayla. Ces comités fournissent aussi un feedback essentiel sur la performance des ONG.
ওদের কাছে আরো তুলি ধরতে হবে যে লেট্রিন এখন আস্তে আস্তে মানুষ বাদ হয়ে গেলে ঘরে ফিরে যাচ্ছে কেউ কেউ এখন তো শুকনো মৌসুম দেখা শীতকালীন জোয়ার পানি উঠতে না সব অনেকেই মানে যাদের ঘর একটু থাকার মতো জায়গা আছে তারা তো যাচ্ছে তাদের লেট্রিনের উপর সেখানে পড়ে যায় এটাও তাদের কাছে তুলি ধরতে হবে
In this cyclone Ayla, actually we started community consultation from very fast, and we also incorporate in other ways of addressing their feedback and involvement them. We formed a community committee, we call it PIC, Program Implementation Committee. We continue to organize meeting with them to review the progress, what we actually supporting them, but also assess the situation, what is the situation and how they are feeling. We need to heard the voice of the people, we need to involve them, we need to create leadership among the people so that they can take it forward, and particularly the complaint, in other terms its feedback is actually need to get their feedback and address it very well. So in this way actually we had chance to actually assess that how much actually we are doing. They now feel more comfortable, more easy to come to us with their comments, with their feedbacks.